up ladies? Kunalo guy ngibele ngimbona kulezi insuku. Hot, no six pack, sexy.
I can see you're a man of taste. So what do you do?
Give me 30 minutes.
What does it
Asikhulume ngefee yakho manje. What is the most thing you fear now?
Ulala.
Let me tell you something. It's either die trying to survive or we die without trying. I hope you get my weight. Otherwise, you're going down. You better choose. Qhaqeka. Asimtshotshele umuntu. Phela sizamayo. Asizama ubashumeza kodwa sizama imali. Awu,